Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you how to clear your search history on Duckduckgo. Duckduckgo is known for its privacy first approach, but it still stores some search data. Let's dive into how you can delete this history and take your privacy even further. First, let's talk about the Duckduckgo app. Unlike other browsers, it does not store your entire browsing history, but if you leave a tab open, it can still be visible to someone who grabs your phone. Here's the easy fix. Simply open DuckDuckGo and tap the fire icon at the bottom of the screen. A prompt will pop up asking if you want to choose or close tabs and clear data. Confirm, and everything will be deleted in seconds. And check it out. You'll even see a dramatic fire burning in your history. But remember, once you clear, if there is no going back, if you're unsure, you can always hit cancel pro trip, or your bookmarks and favorites websites are not deleted. But if you want to remove them, just go to the bookmark section, tap edit, select what you want to remove and hit delete. Now for those who want a hands-off approach, there's auto clear data. This feature automatically clears your tabs and data whenever you restart the app. It's off by default, but here's how to turn it on. Open the app, tap the settings icon in the top right, select automatical clear data and switch it on. You can choose whether to clear just tabs or both tabs and data. Plus, you can set the timing to clear data after 5, 15, 30 or 60 minutes of inactivity. Just make sure you know the difference between exiting the app completely and letting it run in the background. For the desktop users, if you're using the DuckDuckGo Chrome extension, you can clear your history too. Here, how open DuckDuckGo. Click the three dots at the top right, select delete activity by, then click all time and press delete simple. And one more thing, if you use DuckDuckGo on Chrome, your browser might collect cache data. To clear that, just press Ctrl Shift and delete. It's not only protect your privacy but also speed up your browser. In conclusion, DuckDuckGo is still one of the best choices for privacy online. With features like auto clear data and simple history deletion, you're always in control. If you want to keep track of things, don't forget to use bookmarks on favorites. That's it for today's quick tip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and keep your data private.